How to start a career in digital marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started in digital marketing. So let's get into it. Now, the first very essential step any career is to build your portfolio, and a portfolio for digital marketing is best built by a website. So, what I recommend for digital marketers or people that are looking to get into digital marketing is to create your own website and promote yourself over there. Not promote, use it as a portfolio. So, create your own digital marketing portfolio website, and the best part about this is that this will also illustrate your skills that you have as a digital marketer. So, what you're going to do is, for example, once you create your website on Wix, let's say Jane's Tips is my website for digital marketing. Now, what you're going to do is you need to optimize three basic things over here: the advertisements, SEO, which is the search engine optimization, and social media marketing. Now, you can choose to run ads to promote your website, and people will click on the website and then see your digital marketing services. Then you also need to make sure that your website is SEO optimized. So it is search engine optimized. When people are looking up digital marketers on Google, your website should have high SEO so it ranks higher up on the Google search engine. Number three is to do social media marketing. So social media marketing is super effective because a lot of people are now, they're not looking for people that have degrees, but they're looking for people that are talented in the field. So make sure you have like an Instagram account or a public Twitter account or a public Instagram account. Make sure to create a LinkedIn portfolio as well for people to be able to recognize you, people to be able to see what your work is. Make sure you're linking your website, and when people open up the website, they see how well formatted it is, how it is marketed properly. Then what you're going to do is you're going to receive more offers directly on those social media platforms. Now, this is going to be one way to get a larger audience on to your pre-existing platforms. Now, how do you expand further? How do you get more people interested in your work? How do you start a career in digital marketing online while you're at home? Well, first off, once you have your website up and running, it is going to serve you as the major anchor to a lot of people because they will see your work. The second thing that you can do is get acquainted with digital marketing tools as you are waiting for jobs. Now, there are a lot of different things that are now involved in digital marketing, and a lot of them require a lot of complicated tools, but you need to make sure that you are able to understand the free digital marketing tools. So if you're going to do digital marketing for any company or business, then you need to know what are the essential tools that you should be using. You should be well acquainted with them. You should know how to use those tools. So two of those top tools are the Ahrefs Webmaster Tool. So you can sign up for free, and this will help you see the on-site SEO that you have. It will see the crawled URLs, any backlink issues that you might be having, any kind of URL by errors, and you can get, a overall summary of your website, of the SEO optimization of your website with this tool. So in the meantime, you should learn to use this tool. Another amazing tool is Google Trends. So if you're looking to do marketing and if you're looking to do digital marketing, then Google Trends is a very useful tool. The reason for that is Google Trends is going to help you out a lot in terms of getting the overall understanding of a product or of an item. So let's say that you are doing research or doing marketing for a water company. So let's say you're going to do research for a spring water company that they sell like bottled water or something like that. So what you're just going to do is you're going to go into the search section, you're going to click on worldwide, or you're going to click on the specific region that they want to target. So let's say they want to begin sales in France. So what you're going to do is you're going to select France, and then you're going to see the overall hike in a specific item. So you will see what the trend of a item is. The overall interest is not that high in terms of overall interest, and the interest is having spikes. So you can see it had a spike in July, then in June. So people have a spike in the mid of every month almost for this specific trend. So this is going to give you more detailed analysis on the overall item that you're searching for. You can also search for web searches or image searches, news searches. You can search the specific category or how long you want the data to be from. So let's say I only want data from the past 90 days. So now this will show me the data from the past 90 days over here. Now let's say I want to do keyword research or just like research, marketing research for something else. So maybe I want to do research for maybe a skincare product or serum or whatever it might be. So you're just going to search for that, and this will give you good analysis. It will also give you related queries. So what are the other questions people ask when they are searching for this item? And this will help you a lot in terms of marketing. Now, once you have well acquainted yourself with these two free tools, let's say you still haven't gotten a digital marketing job, you might be wondering, hey, is this not working out for me? What do I do now? I have tried everything that I could and I'm still not able to get a digital marketing job. Well, what I recommend is to go on freelancing platforms and advertise yourself there. So go on a platform like Upwork. I have detailed videos on how to create Upwork and Fiverr portfolios, so check those out if you want to know the step by step. But just head on over to Upwork, click on sign up over here, and just sign up as a freelancer. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Click on apply as a freelancer, continue with your Apple, Google, or email address, and you will be ready to be signed up on Upwork to begin building your portfolio. Try to link as much previous work as you can. Try to make sure that you're not exaggerating your skills as well, because let's say you don't know how to do backlinking, then don't put that in your portfolio. And if a client or customer asks you, hey, do you know backlinking, just don't get in pressure and just say yes, because that will hurt your work. That will actually hurt the authentic work that you're doing instead of helping you out and getting you more sales and more future job opportunities. So you can see in the find talent section, there are a lot of people with digital marketing portfolios, and you can get a good idea of how to build your portfolio by viewing other people's work. Not their work, their portfolio and how they have structured their portfolio, what kind of things that they are promoting over there. Now, you also have other freelancing platforms like People Per Hour. You also have Fiverr. So these are the top freelancing platforms that I would recommend. And you can see even within digital marketing, there are a lot of specifics. So if you want to go any specific kind of digital marketing, let's say your specialty is affiliate marketing, then go ahead and build your portfolio based on that. Don't just say you're into digital marketing. List out your specifics, whatever you do specifically, and make sure that you are adding all of that information that you're able to, you're specialized in that specific field, into your portfolio on Fiverr or Upwork and on People Per Hour and any other freelancing platform of your choice. Now, if you want to go with a very specific niche that is going to be, let's say, blogging, then go for a platform like ProBlogger. So whatever is the specific niche that you are wanting a career in digital marketing in, go for a platform that is specifically dedicated to blogging, so to that specific niche or to that specific digital marketing job. Let's say you want to do blogs, and go onto ProBlogger, because all the jobs are blogs or article writing over here. So this is going to be for people that are looking for freelance jobs for blogs or articles, and this is just going to help you find a digital marketing job that it best fits your specific skill set. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now better able to understand how to get a job as a digital marketer. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.